Hello everyone, welcome to Fijian Investment Trader. My name is Mr. Singh. Carnival, right? We talked on the previous videos and I was mentioning it during the earnings that we will see a drop and we expected it right after that, and we made some sort of higher highs and we failed to break out, right? Right now, today, Friday, during the market hours, we opened up at $26.28, and we came low of 25.70, and we are so far breaking out our moving averages, the pink line, the 200-day, the WAP line, yellow line, and the 20-day, right? Before I'm going to talk about the technical analysis, let's talk about some key news and the growth of the Carnival, because that's very important. We always want to see the growth, right? Carnival gains on share swap, buyback, and revise the loan term, right? Usually when this thing happens, right, Carnival use same money of buyback of 18.30 million to raise an efforts for next year's January 31st next year, right? So sometimes when you have buyback happens to reduce interest into loans, right? So also because Carnival has also negotiated with his banks to reduce interest in two loans with 1.86 billion and approximately of 952 million in principal, right? So that's something is very important, because the cruise operated today related the sailing for Alaska will depart on July 25. We know we already started on July 1st. Some of this on the cruising. Once you're vaccinated, you can travel, right? The cruise ship, the entire cruise ships, including Carnival, they won against the Florida judge or against the CDC. So that's something, it is heading into the right direction, right? Check out this, folks. All the way down the pandemic, right? Like we had been at $10 level where everything was downgraded. Now everything is getting upgraded, folks. We are getting upgraded to $40 level. Yes, folks, $40 level. It's everything is getting upgraded, right? So what are we looking at? Let's talk about our very important technical analysis and what we mentioned, right? So we talked about this $25.29, which gonna be a loading zone. So every time we came at $25 or even below, people have loaded up, right? The only concern that I have a little bit is that our 60-day moving average sits at $27.62, and every time we come close, we have get loaded, right? So my personal view, I'm not seeing it coming at $25.29, right? But I can definitely see moving forward, we'll be testing at $26 to $27, and then all the way to $31, right? Overall, like this is the road for recovery, right? All the way from March 2020, when the lockdown happens, from $7 and it's 80 cents, right? I've been loading up shares, right, throughout the process, right? And my majority of shares are below $11, right? And I've not sold it because I could have sold it over here, but I have a plan. I have a plan that I can see is going all the way up to $50 to $60 level, right? That is the plan, and that is what we have. So on the year chart, right, you'll see our moving average, 200-day moving average, right? Everything is lined. We're lined for an uptrend. And once we had these earnings, every time when we have these earnings comes in, we see a massive drop, comes all the way to at least to $3 level. Like it always drops to $3 level and then settles on the sides and then move higher highs, right? So we are on the buying zone, right? This is the buying zone. Hey folks, I'm not a final advisor. This is all my DD, because RSI is at 37. MACD is finally slowing down, but there's a still sell-off, right? So we went from the earnings during $27.80 all the way low of $25.70 right now, right? So once we are in the buying zone for sure, right? I'm gonna go back quickly on 3 months. So you'll see on the 3 month chart, right? Every time we come to this key level, the breakout level, we break out, right? We break out, we break out, we break out. Not a massive breakout. Like last time we went from $25 to 31 cents. We went all the way high of $31.51, right? And we are approaching to that level very soon, right? I am not, I will be very, very surprised if it comes and touch at $25.29, but anything can happen. This is a stock market, anything is possible. But if it drops, then this is the $25.29. It becomes a massive, massive loading zone. And on the year to date, it will kind of come really close to our 200-day moving average, which we have been trading below, right? Which we have been trading below on a volume. Our average volume is 27 million, right? We are right now, it's about 11 million. It's just about 2.5 hours on the trading times on Friday. Don't forget, market is closed on Monday, so there will be a lot of volume and there will be not a lot of holdings going on throughout the 3-day weekend coming up, right? Looking at the SP 500, because also controls these sectors on that, we are way over, we are way the all-time highs. SP 500 is doing all-time high. Nasdaq is doing, I'm going to go quickly guys and show you guys that too. Nasdaq is going all-time high also, right? So market is doing all-time high right now on the big tech sector, the blue collar ones right now, which is something we need to be very careful of. Yes, I'm going to be really frank about it. With something we need to be really careful about it moving forward, because if there's a little bit some correction happens, then we'll see a downtrend over here. But this is all the loading zone, folks. This is the loading zone. I'm excited. Sorry, I'm pumped because this is once it comes in, it gives me an option to buy some leap call options in order to do it, and have done it numerous times, right? From here, here, up here, up here, and this is approaching to that level too. So I'll be paying very close attention to see if it drops to $25 $0.29, right? It dropped today at $25.70, so it will be testing that key level for me to load up for the call options. If I'm looking at it, I'm not any more shares because I have enough shares and my average is pretty good, so I'm not worried about it. But I'm getting some call options because I believe in this company. This company is gonna be very, very is on the recovery mode, and we're gonna see all-time high, folks, all-time high to sitting at $51 to all the way, right, to about $64 level, right? They have been holding it for so long level, that $40 to $50 level, $51. It's a key level to watch out. But overall, we're looking good. We're having this double, well, it was a double bottom, triple bottom, whatever you guys gonna call it. We had this triple bottom when we called out, and we had this run. Now we're coming to test it again, and now we're gonna wait and see how it plays out. Hey folks, have a happy 4th of July. First of all, enjoy, be safe with the fireworks, and make the right decisions, right? I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, so you guys can constantly be updated with Carnival and other stocks too, if you're interested. But that's our key level. We are approaching to our key level at $5.29. So stay tuned and watch and see how it goes, folks. So thank you. Next video will be up on Tuesday, after when we do it after the market closes on Tuesday. So thank you very much.